This is video recap of trading week October 11th 15th. 12 trades were executed and 10 trades among them were profitable. If every position were $20k, potential profit this week would be $3,700. So let's look at each trade. First, PACB. This trade was profitable. Important level 24.76. After bullish price action several previous days, stocks started closing under this important support, and that means that sellers are much stronger. That's why I shorted the stock just after closing under that level and took profits after 50% movement. Next trade, ticker STRC, also profitable. Important level 6.36. There was consolidation above that level, and in case of closing and consolidating under this support, that's a strong signal that sellers took a control. After determining the direction, short position was opened about 6.34 and was closed about 6.15. Next profitable trade, ticker VLTA, that was also short. Important level 7.78. There was also consolidation above this support, but price started to close under it on a 5-minute chart and established consolidation. Of course, consolidation for me, that's the most safest entry point that ever can be. That's why a short position was entered in this consolidation under support and closed at the end of the day after this substantial move to the downside. Next trade is VIEW, ticker VIEW, the same situation, important level 5.03. After consolidation, price started to close under this support, some kind of a consolidation on a 5-minute chart. Short position was entered in this consolidation and closed at the end of the day after the same substantial move to the downside. Next trade, ticker RIDE, RIDE, also short, also profitable. I expected that price would break 4.77, but price bounced to the another level 4.96 and established a disability to break this level. So for me, this stock can be only downside to trade. That's why I shorted this stock at the level 4.96 and closed my short position after movement to the downside was over and price established a consolidation with indecision candles. Next profitable trade, ticker XL, important level 5.43. Price was approaching that level steadily, closed under it previous day and established consolidation at the end of the previous day. Next day price closed under level, tried to bounce back to it, failed, and after this failure, short position was opened and closed at the end of the day of this sell-off. Next ticker is LAZR, LAZR. There was a trend line. Price started the trading day with a sell-off, then returned, and I supposed this pullback as a failure retest of this trend line and this round number $15 mark, and entered short position. But price moved to the upside, that's why I got a stop loss. At the same day, the same stock, after movement to the upside, there was a pullback to the downside and a consolidation. when price inside consolidation closing at the huge red candle at the bottom of the consolidation, that's a signal for me to short. So that's why after breaking this consolidation level to the downside, short position was opened, and when price reached round number $15, position was closed with profits. This trade was given as an official signal during the week. Important level 9.03. There was a triangle formation approaching this level, and after breaking and closing above it, long position was opened. I held my position overnight and closed after this spike first hour and the pullback. On this pullback I closed my long position. Next ticker gave a loss. That was also a second official signal during the week. Company VUZI, ticker VUZI, important level 9.84. Previous day price approached steadily and closed under this level at the end of the day. That's a classical short signal. That's why short position was opened next day from the first seconds. But price returned above it and made a choppiness. Due to volatility, my stop loss was triggered and price didn't want to go lower this week, so that was my mistake and my stop loss. And another trade, that stock was analyzed during the week without any signals. Ticker FFIE. On a daily chart and on intraday 15 minutes chart, there was a beautiful consolidation with a trend line and establishing a triangle formation to it. So on Friday, after breaking this trend line, making a pullback and establishing consolidation just on this trend line and bouncing back to the upside, I opened my long position, and after making a quick spike to the upside, I decided to close my position to secure small profits. And last trade this week, Stitch Fix, ticker SFIX, short trade. So previous days there was a move to the downside and then 3 days of sideways consolidation. That was very clear on a 5-minute chart, so this trade is classical, it's easy. After I established this trend line, I just was waiting for a break. And price decided to consolidate above this trend line first half of the day, but then suddenly dropped. And when price closed just on the trend line, and next 5-minute candle started trading below it, I entered my position at 34.54. Then price relatively quickly reached round number $34, and I decided to close my short position with profits. That's it for this week. In my next video I will make stock chart analysis to trade for upcoming week.